Hi kids, today we're going to learn about the boy and the wolf. Once upon a time, there was a shepherd boy. He used to take his flock of sheep to graze in the fresh green grass. The boy had nothing to do all day just to watch his sheep. So, one day, out of boredom, an idea came to the boy's mind. He shouted with all his might, "Oh no, the wolf is here! The wolf is here!" The villagers came running with their fires and their sticks to get rid of this wolf. But when they reached the boy, there was no wolf, just a little boy laughing at the foolishness of the villagers. He laughed and said, "Oh, it was just a joke. I just wanted to see if you guys would come and help me." A few days later, the boy did the same thing. "Oh no, a wolf is here! A wolf is here!" The villagers again came to the boy's rescue, just to realize that that was another one of his old pranks. The boy laughed and said it was all just a joke, and the villagers went away angrily. A few days later, he had done the same thing, about telling the villagers that there was a wolf, but there was no wolf. The villagers decided that they would not listen to the boy again. And so, a few days later, when the sheep were grazing, a wolf actually showed up. The boy cried out, "Oh no, a wolf is here! A wolf is here!" But no one came to help him. The wolf ate all his sheeps. He cried, "Please help me, my sheeps." The wolf had killed all the sheeps, and now the boy had nothing in his hand. So, the moral of the story is always tell the truth.